Join me as I take on the challenge of creating the most delicious tater tots you've ever tasted. Tater tots, who doesn't love them? Crunchy on the outside, fluffy on the inside, and the perfect snack or side dish for any occasion. Whether you're watching a game, having a party, or just need a quick pick-me-up, tater tots are always a crowd pleaser. But let's be real, store-bought tater tots can be a bit of a letdown. They're often bland, salty, and lacking in that homemade flavor we all crave. And don't even get me started on making them from scratch. It's a whole ordeal. From peeling and chopping potatoes to shaping and frying, it's a process that can take hours, and honestly, who's got time for that? I mean, have you ever tried to make tater tots from scratch? It's like trying to get a cat to take a selfie. It's just not gonna happen. The potato mixture always seems to fall apart, and those cute little cylinders turn into sad, flat discs. And don't even get me started on the frying process. It's like trying to tame a dragon. Hot oil splattering everywhere, and those poor tater tots just can't seem to get crispy. But what if I told you there's a way to make delicious, crispy tater tots without all the hassle? A way to elevate your snack game and impress your friends and family. Well, buckle up, folks, because today I'm sharing my secrets for making the tastiest tater tots you've ever had. Here's what you'll need: a couple of large potatoes, some olive oil, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and a pinch of paprika. That's it. No fancy equipment, no complicated steps. Just simple, honest ingredients that will give you the best tater tots of your life. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. While that's heating up, peel and grate those potatoes, making sure to squeeze out as much liquid as possible. You want those potatoes to be nice and dry. Then, in a bowl, mix together the grated potatoes, olive oil, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. Mix it up until it's nice and combined. Next, use your hands to shape the mixture into those adorable little cylinders we know and love. Don't worry if they're not perfect. A little imperfection adds character, right? Place those tater tots on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, leaving a little room between each one. You want them to have some breathing room, just like us. Pop that baking sheet into the oven and bake for about 20–25 minutes, or until those tater tots are golden brown and crispy on the outside. And let me tell you, the aroma that'll fill your kitchen is just incredible. And there you have it, folks, the most delicious tater tots you've ever had. Crispy on the outside, fluffy on the inside, and packed with flavor. Take a bite, close your eyes, and transport yourself to a world of snacking bliss. These tater tots are the real deal. They're easy to make, packed with flavor, and will elevate your snack game like never before. So go ahead, give this recipe a try, and watch your friends and family beg for more. Thanks for tuning in, guys. If you try out this recipe, be sure to let me know in the comments below. And if you're looking for more tasty ideas, be sure to check out my other cooking videos. Happy snacking, and I'll see you in the next one.